To start off, we're going to be making an all-pork bratwurst. We got started off with 25 pounds of some really good quality pork butts that we got from our local HEB. And then I got this pack from PS Seasoning. It is the Tailgate Bratwurst seasoning number 281B. So if this is something you might be interested in, we're going to definitely leave a link for this. Now we're going to be doing a double grind, so let's show you what we're going to do. So the reason why I like to do a double grind is, one, it makes the texture of your sausage a little bit better, and it also makes it a little bit finer, which that's just what we happen to like, and that's what I've learned by making sausages through the years from Melissa and her family and my buddy Roland. So shout out to you, Roland, again for inspiring me to make sausage. So now that we're finally done grinding, we're going to mix this up by hand just to make sure everything is incorporated perfectly. And what I'm going to do, so I'm going to take a little bit of this Pabst Blue Ribbon beer, because guess what? Brats and beer, they just go hand in hand. So why not just add a little extra flavor to these dogs? And as y'all can see, you got quite a bit of meat to fat ratio, and that's perfect for this. So we're going to take a little bit of this beer and mix it in. It's going to be divine. Nothing like a cold beer. We're just probably going to take about a cup of this. Call that good. We're just going to come in here and just mix up really, really good. So let's talk casings, y'all. I got these casings from PS Seasonings, and these are really good quality casings. Now, when you're taking the time to do this much effort of making sausage, you want a good quality product. Alrighty, y'all. We are stuffing sausage. You want to keep a nice consistency going, a nice steady speed, so you don't blow out your casings. Just kind of like that. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to link this. Now, from what I've seen on Chud's Barbecue, he'll come in here roughly about 6 inches, which, give or take, he'll pinch it right here, and then twist about 3 or 4 times, and he'll just keep on repeating. So our sausage has been in the fridge overnight for like 24 hours. I've got my Green Mountain Grill fired up. We're running at 225. We're going to be smoking with post oak. We're going to cook these until we hit an internal temperature of 165.